everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I treat my hair. So as you can see, my hair is freshly washed. This video is going to be a little bit different for me today because I haven't done a voice talk in the video for a long time. I have always been doing a voice over. The reason is, so my kids are usually home when I'm filming, so they're always talking in the back, so that's why I don't like to do talking in the video. So today they are at school, so I'm so excited. I'm like, you know what, let me talk in my camera today because it's been so long. So yes, let's get started in this video. Let me show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. This is some of the treatment I use to grow my hair back really fast, because if some of you guys don't know, I'm always cutting my hair. So this is like some of my treatment I use to grow my hair fast. So let's say if I see another hairstyle, I will cut my hair, or I will cut it to that hairstyle. Like, you know, I'm always doing that. So I'm always treating my hair so my hair can grow back fast, because I have a fast growing hair and I have a thick hair. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using the hair meal. I have been using this product now for some time, and I'm going to be using it, and then I'm going to be using my Aloe Vera. I'm going to be using this as well. These two, combine these two together, my hair grows so fast. I'm going to start putting my hair meal in my hair. I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm not even wearing gloves because it helps grow my nails. It helps make my nails stronger. So if it comes to treating my hair, I don't like to wear gloves. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and take the hair meal and just put it all in my hair. Oh my god, this is so cold. And put it all in my hair. I'm starting off with my edges because since I bleached my hair, guys, I wasn't, you know, treating my hair when I bleached my hair, so the front of my hair fell out. So that's what I'm like really, you know, focus on my edges, because when it comes to my edges, I don't like to play. Oh my god, this is so cold. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that all in my hair. What I'm doing right now. So this treatment is going to sit in my hair for an hour. I'm doing laundry, so that's a good thing. So that's why this is gonna sit in my hair for an hour. And then for this one, I'm going to put heat over my hair. So for this one, I'm going to put heat over my hair. So right now I'm just gonna put this all in my hair. Just going to take my cap and just put it over my hair. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna keep it on for an hour, wash it up, and I will be right back with the next treatment. So after I finish washing the treatment out of my hair, this is how my hair is looking. It feels so good. Like, oh my goodness, my hair feels so nice. So let me comb it. You guys see? It feels so good. And now I'm gonna go in with my aloe vera. So I already went ahead and I cut it into two. Oh, this is so messy. This is how it's looking. I'm just gonna take this like this and just rub it in my hair. And I'm using one to rub it in my hair, so I'm gonna use the whole one. That's what I meant. I'm gonna do it, and then I'm just gonna do this. Put holes inside to like get everything out. See what I'm doing? This is how I do mine. Take the back of the comb and just put a lot of holes inside and just massage it in my hair. This really works for my hair. I'm telling you guys, like it works. Like it works for my hair, no joke. And that's what I've been doing to get my hair back. I'm gonna use the other one. So I'm using a whole one, and then I'm just gonna do that. So as I'm doing this, I'm gonna comb my hair. Telling you guys, like, you guys should try this. Like, your hair is gonna grow back. Look at this. This is so, your hair is gonna grow back in no time. Because I started doing this because I bleached my hair and, you know, wanted to try something new. And I bleached my hair, but then I wasn't treating my hair because, see, this is so messy. I wasn't treating my hair after I bleached it like that, and my hair just started breaking up on me. So, and then I started doing this. So for this one, I'm going to sit on the dryer. You could sit on it if you want, but for this one, I like sitting on the dryer. So I'm just poking the hole inside again to get all that juicy out. I guess that's why you got it juicy, to get everything out. Let me know if you guys like if I talk in the video more. You guys let me know, because I actually like this, you know. I actually like talking in my video more than the voiceover, but sometimes when you have children, you gotta adjust to their schedule. So this thing is very messy, so when you're doing it, just you know, just be careful. As you comb, you massage, comb, you massage. See what I'm doing? And then now I'm just gonna take my plastic cap and put it over my head. I'm gonna keep this in for an hour, wash it out, and come back and show you guys. So this is how my hair is looking after I took off the aloe vera. I went ahead and I put a black rinse in my hair, but I just kept that in for 10 minutes. But this is how my hair is looking after I finished doing everything. I rinsed off the aloe vera off my hair, and I put a black rinse in my hair. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. I'm just gonna go ahead now and put my black castor oil in my hair. I like to do this after I finish treating my hair. I like to do this and just massage it on my scalp. That has been working for me for some time now, help to grow my hair. So the first thing I do, I start off from my front hair and I just like massage it. Like, you could do this if you want to do it, but me, I like doing it while my hair is wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And one more thing, I'm not gonna be wrapping my hair today because I have an emergency I have to go to. So I'm going to come back the next day and finish this video because I really gotta run to do something quick and it's very urgent. So I'm not gonna be wrapping my hair today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So I'm still putting the black castor oil in my hair. As you can see, honestly, my hair feels so good. Like, this feels so good in my hair. So this is how it's looking. And then now I'm gonna take my Holy Grail. If you guys go watch some of my video from like years ago, I have been using this product forever. Like, this is one of the best leave-in conditioner I have ever bought. And this is not a sponsored video, but I hope they are watching this, because I've been using this for the longest. I love their product. I really like this brand, I really do. Yeah, I'm just combing all the product in my hair. Just doing this, like, Y'all should try this treatment. You guys should really try this treatment. So yeah, I'm not gonna wrap my hair today. I'm just gonna put this product in my hair, and then I'm gonna leave my hair like this and put my band-aid and then go, because I don't even know what time I will be back. And then, you know, when I get back home, I gotta get the kids ready, get them food to eat. So I don't think I will be able to come and finish the video, so I will end up doing it the next day. I'm gonna just comb it all back now and then go about my business. I'm gonna put a band-aid on and go about my business, guys. I love my hair. My edges is growing, you know. It's taking its own time to grow, but at least you can see it growing. So yes, everyone, this is how your girl is looking. I'm going to go run to my emergency, do what I gotta do, and then the next day I'm gonna come back and wrap my hair, beat my face, you know, beat this beautiful face, and you guys going to see the final look. So see you when I'm wrapping my hair. So I'm back again to finish doing my hair. I went ahead and I wet my hair. This is how it's looking. I just put a little bit of water inside, and then before I put the mousse inside, because I slept with it, I'm just going to put a little bit of my leave-in conditioner just to moisturize the hair a little bit, because I have my band-aid on it all night. And so I'm just gonna put this in just to, you know, give it that little bit of moist. So this is how it's looking. Now I'm going to go in with my mousse, and this is the mousse I'm using. I had to go and buy it. My hands are so slippery, like really slippery. So I'm just gonna take all of that, put it all in my hair. So I'm not doing it in any particular order. I just want to, you know, just make my hair flat, and that's it. No particular order, because I'm going to do something with my hair maybe in the next week or so. So this mousse is not doing nothing for me, but I'm going to still try to use it because it's the only one I have, but it's not doing nothing for me. I just gotta manage with it. So that's what I'm putting into it. It's gonna go now and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and come back and show you guys the final result. So this is the final look. This is how your girl is looking. Look at my hair, how slick my hair is looking. I went ahead and I beat my face. I'm feeling myself, like I look good. And it's so funny, I'm not even going anywhere. I'm not going nowhere. But you know what, this is my work, this is my job. I love it. I love what I do. I love to bring you guys more, you know, hairstyle, especially this pixie cut. I'm gonna be bringing more style for you guys. Like, ooh, your girl is feeling herself. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys are giving me. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. And also, I got my wig still up now. Y'all can go in the link down below and click the link and purchase some wig from me. And I'm also bringing more pixie cut for you guys. I don't have pixie cut out there yet, but I'm bringing it very soon. But I have other wigs you can go ahead and purchase. So thank you guys so much for your love and your support, and I will see you guys in my next video.